Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have question number 12 from exercise questions of chapter 11 sound. You can see that it is in page number 138. The question is a stone is dropped from the top of the tower. Uh, Here it is a ground and here you have a tower, a building structure. This surface is indicating ground and this part is the top of tower. The tower height is given as 500 meter. So we are dropping a stone. So the stone will be getting dropped from this height. This represents a stone piece into a pond of water at the base of the tower. Here you have a pond in which water is present. So when is the splash heard at the top? Question is, when is the splash of water heard at the top? Means time we need to find. What is given that g value, acceleration due to gravity, is 10 meter per second square and speed of sound is given as 340 meter per second. Now let's understand this question and solve it down. We already having a previous knowledge that S is equal to ut plus half gt square. This S represent the height of the tower. H, u is the initial velocity. Here when the stone is thrown from the top of the tower, the initial velocity will be 0. So it is 0 meter per second. How much time t is the time? Initially I will be saying that t is the time. This time is the total time, t total. So I'm considering small t as time taken by the stone to reach bottom surface, that is in the pond. So it has taken time t plus half gt square. So this value will become 0. So it will be h will be equal to half gt square. Then t square will be equal to 2h upon g and t will be equal to root over 2h upon g. Now we need to put the values. It is square root of 2 multiplied with h. The height of the tower is 500 meter and the value of g is 10 meter per second square. What I will do, we need to solve this one. It is root over 1000 divided by 10. Here it is meter and here it is meter per second square. This meter and meter will cancel. 10 1 ja 10 and 10 100 ja. So it will be root over 100 so it will be 10 second. So it will be 10 second now. The square root of 100 is 10 second. So time we have calculated that the stone to reach to the ground is 10 second. Now the second part of the question is I'm considering as t dash. The t dash will be the time taken to reach top of tower by sound. So here we know that distance is equal to, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So I'm writing here speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance will be equal to speed multiplied with time. So here time is t dash. So t dash will be equal to distance upon speed. Here the distance is the height of the tower and speed is 340 meter per second. So height of the tower is 500 meter divided by 340 meter per second. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 2 17 ja, 2 25 ja. So 25 divided by 17, it will be 1.47 and second meter will get cancelled, second comes up. So now the t dash is 1.47 second. Value of t is 10 second. Now as per the question, when is the splash heard at the top? So definitely first of all the stone will fall in the water. So it will take some time. Here it is 10 seconds. Then after falling in the water, the splash will come, a sound will come, and then this sound will further pass towards the top side. So it will take 1.47 seconds. So if I want to calculate the time total, it will be small t plus t dash. So here you can see the value of t is 10 second and the value of t dash is 1.47 second. Now it will be 10 plus 1.47 second, it will be 11.47 second it will take, means the splash of sound from the water will be heard at the top after 11.47 second. So this way we will solve this question. Hopefully you will understand about this and follow the other videos also.